That's Jay. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. Before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the little notification bell so that you never miss another upload. Because like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos and you are not going to want to miss those. So let's just get into this video. In today's video, I'm also going to be reviewing a brand new product by Carol's daughter. And before I show you the product, in the spirit of disclosure, I have to let you guys know that this product was sent to me for free in exchange for my honest opinion. It was sent to me by Carol's daughter and Influenster. So yes, so let's get into what these products are. So this is Carol's daughter new Wash Day Delight line. So there's like an aloe vera scent one, and then there's the rose water one, which is the one they sent me. So let's start with the shampoo. It's just a shampoo and a conditioner today. So it's a rose water shampoo. Oh, there you guys go. It's supposed to be a liquid to foam shampoo. Now, y'all know I don't like liquid to foam shampoos. I already talked about not liking these. So I'm already a little uneasy about using this, but you know, we're gonna give it a try because we love free products. Next up, we have a jelly to cream conditioner, also rose water. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's talk about the benefits of these products and why they released them. Saying that they're like a wash day remix. Apparently they're supposed to cut time on your wash day. And they are gentle on your scalp. They don't strip your hair. Hair blooming with shine is supposed to be a 10-time easier detangle, and it's supposed to have 5 times more moisture. So we're going to be checking these boxes after I try the products to see if these 5 things actually happen when you use these products. Alright guys, so now my hair is completely wet. I am going to leave these twists in. So you're supposed to take the nozzle and point it at your scalp and kind of just get it all over the place. I can see why this could cut some time off because it's so like, it's like a thin foam. It's not like sudsy like regular shampoo, and that takes forever to rinse out. But this is like a really thin foam. Right, so I think I got it pretty good. I feel pretty good about the way that it's spread. Just touching my hair, I do feel like it definitely got stripped of like some of that moisture that was in my hair. There wasn't much, so there wasn't much moisture in my hair, but my hair definitely feels stripped. It's not terrible. Like I've had some shampoos where like my hair literally felt like if I touched it, it was going to just break. So this is definitely not that, but as shampoo does, it does feel like it stripped it a little bit, which is fine because that lets me know that my hair is like on the clean side. The nozzle was really nice actually, especially since I have these twists in. It was really nice to just like go in between my twists and like put the shampoo exactly where I needed it. And we're gonna go rinse this out. I am gonna take the twist down as I rinse it so that I can get into conditioning, and then I will be back to do conditioner. But for now, I will leave you with the fact that this shampoo gets a thumbs up for me. Alright guys, so I am back from rinsing out my shampoo, and now this conditioner, it says to spread throughout scalp and hair and focus on your ends. Very simple. And it's supposed to be a jelly to cream. So, there we go. It's a jelly. Looks kind of like gel or jam. I don't know. So, in order to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood brush and my, I think these are called like alligator, crocodile clips, something like that. All right. So now I'm just gonna take some of the conditioner. This feel like that jelly or that jam that come in like that blue bottle when we was kids. Grease. It feels like hair grease. Like, it don't feel like a conditioner. It feels like hair grease, and it looks like hair grease. I was trying to figure out what that word was. It feels like grease. Look at that. I'm like running my fingers through my hair already, and I haven't even used a detangling tool yet. I've been doing this for 35 minutes. Never ever has it taken me 35 minutes to condition and detangle my hair, and I haven't even rinsed the conditioner out. Right now I'm just making sure it's all over the tops of my hair, because that's the part that gets missed the most when conditioning, because we're focused on the bottom, the ends and whatnot. So yeah. I'm convinced that this is hair grease. I'm gonna give y'all my opinion now, because once I rinse this out, we're gonna move on. But yeah, I'm convinced that this conditioner is in fact hair grease. Feels like hair grease. Like, look at my hands, they're so greasy. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like usually when I'm using conditioner, my brush just has like all kinds of like conditioner piled up in it. None of that. Like, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Like, it's jelly to cream, but there is no cream in my hair. So I feel like this is like, it's just like a grease type conditioner. Like, y'all, that looks like hair grease to me. I would use it before a protective style, because you know when you do protective styles, they take all day anyway. So if this can cut that time down and help me get my protective style in my head faster, that would be dope. We're gonna find out today. I do wish the shampoo was definitely my favorite out of the two. I do wish this actually turned into a cream. It's just making my hair look like I covered it in grease. Also, I had to spray my hair with water at some point because the conditioner added no moisture. Like, it didn't wet my hair back up. Usually conditioner wets your hair back up if it starts to dry before you get to it. This one did not. So yeah, now I'm gonna go rinse this out, and then we can move on to the rest of how I prep my hair for a protective style. Be right back. Alright guys, so I am back from rinsing out my conditioner. It's still like some water dripping on my face, which is fine. But my hair feels so soft, y'all. Like, this is ridiculous how soft my hair is. And my curls, got some curls in there. So for this particular style that I'm doing, I want to kind of blow out my hair and straighten it a bit. And I'm also going to be clipping my ends a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to do that on camera though. But anyway, so in order to prep my hair for the rest of this protective style, I'm going to be using my mixture of oil. Also going to, of course, have my heat protectant because I will be using a blow dryer. And then for my C of the LCO method, I'm going to be using this, for the first time I might add, this Auntie Jackie's Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. Just straighten it out a little bit, or stretching it out a little bit, mostly so that I can clip my ends, but also because it's just easier to part this way and it kind of blends better this way. So as y'all can see, I don't care about losing the light, because I'm just cutting. But yeah, so this is pretty much what I'm going for, in the way of just stretching it a little bit. It didn't really get up into my scalp, which it never does, so that's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I'll be back when it's done, I guess. Alright, and that is that. This is how I prepare for my protective styles. I like to make sure that my hair is very, very well moisturized before I put a protective style in. That way, when it comes out, I actually see growth and not just breakage because I didn't prepare it correctly. So I like to take really good care that the hair underneath the protective style is already protected on its own, and the extensions are just added to that. So make sure that your hair is super moisturized before you put any kind of protective style in, whether you're using hair extensions or not. You want to make sure your hair is really, really well prepared, because 50 to 75% of the protective style is what you do before you put the protective style in. That's what matters. That's what's actually protecting your hair, is locking in that moisture and making sure that there are no breakage, no split ends, none of that when you put that protective style in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to be filming myself doing the protective style that I'm talking about now, as soon as I cut this off, honestly. So stay tuned for that upload. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. If you think they need to know how to protect their hair under a protective style. Also, I will be linking all of these products, as well as the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight products. They will all be down in the bio or description box. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.